All right, what is up, YouTube? So there's a saying that goes that the riches are in the niches. Now, I say niche, but who cares? And the point of this is that the deeper that you go on the avatar that you're targeting and the specific customer, that the more specific of a problem it is that you're solving of theirs, the more it feels like you're speaking directly to them as opposed to a very large group of people, even if it is a really large target market, the more you can actually charge for the product it is that you're selling, right? This applies to e-commerce, this applies to services, this applies to digital products. And so to paint this home, prior to me showing you a couple of physical product examples that I think are going to be really fun and exciting, and that you can take home these tactical tips to your e-commerce brand so that you can charge more premium prices, deliver better experience to the customers that your product best serves, and learn a whole lot along the way, right? So basically, let's say you were to have a digital product. It is a productivity and time management tool, okay? PDF, whatever you want to call it. If you were to say time management and productivity tracker for professionals, and you were to reach anyone that has a job and a workplace that requires some type of productivity and time management, then you might be able to get away with charging $10 for something like that, right? Now, if you say time management and productivity tracker tool for accountants, right? You might be able to get away with charging $100 for that because you're solving a very specific problem for a specific person, right? Specific avatar. Now, if you were to sell, again, virtually the exact same thing in each of these scenarios, but to a different audience, right? If you were to sell a productivity and time management tracker for e-commerce accountants, so accountants that only serve e-commerce brands and that is their target client, you might be able to charge upwards of $1,000, if not more, for a tool that can solve the problem that they're experiencing with their productivity and time management, right? And they're going to feel like they've been spoken to, that God has sent someone down to earth to solve the specific problem that they've been experiencing for a very long time. Meanwhile, again, it's a product that could be templatized and delivered to many different working professionals in different verticals. But you tweak it, you optimize it, and you really narrow it down to that one specific avatar, and it can unlock a whole new set of pricing and deliver better results if you get specific on the person that benefits the most from the product, right? That is the common denominator here. We don't just want to increase prices to increase prices. And we don't just want to speak to a specific customer because we're going to happen to be more profitable there. We want to serve customers that are willing to pay more and get better results with the products that we're selling, if it provides some type of a transformation. Not all products provide transformations, but you get the point, right? And so I'm going to get my big head out of the way, and I want to show you two brands that are selling a product that is commonly commoditized in the marketplace for $5, $10. The one that I own that you see right behind me was probably like $15, right? And I'm going to explain why these brands can get away with pricing the way that they do and still maintain a very profitable and successful e-commerce brand. So the first one that we have here is called Flawless Face Pillow, okay? So if we check out the product that they're selling, and I think they have a couple of products, but the main one here you're going to see is the Flawless Face Pillow Cloud, right? It is $175 for a pillow. Why and how can they get away with selling this for $175? Well, the benefits that the benefits that they're coming up with for marketing are wake up to smooth, no sleep lines, right? So clearly they're going after more of a physical and like a beauty attribute. Lock in moisture for radiant skin. So they're actually saying this is going to be better for your skin, and minimize frizz and breakage overnight for your hair. They're literally, they've designed a pillow, or they're at least marketing this pillow, whether or not it actually works that way. They're marketing this pillow to be something that can preserve hair health and look, skin health and look and feel, and reduce sleep lines that could be indefinite and permanent, harming when it comes to your physical appearance, right? Which is a very, very interesting marketing angle, right? You don't think about that when you think about selling pillows. Now, yes, it's a unique shape. And so that's like another, I guess, perk and a reason why this is more unique than another product, and that they might be able to sell those benefits and drive those home better because it doesn't look, right? There's a saying that's like, if it looks like a duck, quacks like a duck, walks like a duck, it's probably a duck. In this case, it doesn't really look like a duck. And so they don't think it's a duck, even though it's just a misconstrued duck, right? That solves a slightly different problem than what I guess most ducks do. But my point is, $175 for a pillow that probably costs $20 to produce, maybe $25 depending on the material, right? And it is all about their A, offer positioning, but B, it is more importantly, not the product and its characteristics, but who they are speaking to, right? Who their avatar is, really, really niching down and expressing the benefits in a way that all their competitors do not express, even if some other products have some of these same benefits, right? Such as like the material is like better on your skin or your hair, or whatever that looks like. You know what I'm saying? So to drive this home, I want to check out one of their ads, and I want to show you the actual angle that they're going after in the multiple ads that they have that are profitably running right now. So let's pop up this ad and let's watch it real quick together.
All right, if I roll over to my side, my entire face is literally exposed. So with a flat pillow, you're going to get these really deep sleep lines that unfortunately become permanent and are not treatable with Botox. With this pillow, I literally just rolled over. It is super comfortable, guys. I can sleep on my back or my side while keeping my entire face open. You guys, this pillow is a must for any skincare enthusiast or lady or gal or guy who wants to keep their skin glowing and predictably wake up without those annoying sleep lines and creases. All right, if I roll over to my side,
what a great ad. So she's basically saying if you don't want those sleep lines and if you are a skin care and a skin health enthusiast, right? Not just someone who wants to have a comfortable sleep, not someone who's looking to promote better body posture alignment at night or have a high aura or a Whoop score, right? That's not who they're going after. They're going after people that want to look better and that want a pillow that's not going to give them wrinkles and lines and bad, a bad hair day, right? Which is absolutely fascinating, right? I'm amazed more and more every day in this e-commerce world around how people sell physical products and the angles they use. And I'm never amazed at consumerism because I've experienced that with some of the weirdest, funkiest products and the most unique angles that just hit and were incredibly profitable for me, right? Now to give you another example, this is a completely different brand. Again, selling a pillow that is notoriously 10, 20, a premium one might be $40 or $50. And my face is blocking it, but it's $199 that they're selling it for, right? It's just a long, oval pillow. That's it, right? Now, some of the benefits that they drive home and that it promotes is that it alleviates tension. It's made with plant-based foam. It supports joint, neck, and back pain, all of that good stuff, right? So now the joint, neck, back pain, that is a thing that a lot of like orthopedic pillows do. And that's why orthopedic pillows can range from $60 to $100 to $150, which is fantastic, right? That's better than a regular pillow because it actually is a better product, but also because you're marketing it to people who care about those things and don't just want like a comfortable sleeping experience. But going beyond that, which really allows them to have this large multiple markup on whatever they're getting this for, because they're probably sourcing it for like $30, $35, is that they're going after cuddlers, right? They're going after people that like cuddling with another individual or with something, with a stuffed animal, because this product will help solve that problem of your current pillow not fulfilling that desire, not solving that problem that you're experiencing, waking up to no one by your side or no thing that can supplement the feeling of being in a bed with someone else, right? So that is the specific person that they're going after. And again, because of that, they have a $199 price tag for a product that traditionally gets sold for $3 to $5, right? Maybe 10 if you're getting like a nice pillow. You know what I'm saying? And these guys are crushing it, right? So if we remove just the pillow labeling, because they do sell other products, they have 480 active ads. I think they have about 16,000 page likes. So to put into perspective, they are doing millions and millions and millions of dollars a year, maybe even $1 million a month in revenue, selling normal products, blankets, pillows. They have like a sensory knot pillow that's pretty cool that you can pretty much get anywhere else for a lot cheaper. But the way that they're positioning their marketing, studying these guys' ads library, understanding the avatars that they're going after, and really kind of niching or niching down, that is what is allowing them to be so successful, position these product prices in a such premium manner that kind of blows my mind. but that I get more comfortable with over time when I see some of these brands that are charging these prices, because they're leveraging tactics that you and I have access to leverage, and that we might even be unconsciously leveraging by going after specific marketing angles, right? So again, how can you apply this into your business? That is the most important part, into your dropshipping business, into your e-commerce business, whether you have inventory or not, I don't care. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out, who are the top, I like to triangulate things, right? Who are my top 3 customer avatars, and figure out which one of those 3 has the most disposable income, most likely, or that has where the problem, right? If they had to put a price on it, the problem is more worth them solving. It has a higher monetary value associated with that problem that they're experiencing, right? So anything that someone's experiencing when it comes to pain as opposed to discomfort is probably worth more, right? So someone who's getting a back brace to help them alleviate their back pain, they're going to probably be willing to pay a lot more for that than a golden toilet paper holder in their bathroom that just kind of like looks cool, right? What problem is that solving? Maybe their guests coming over and the insecurity they have with not having cool things around their house, or, holding their toilet paper, or like looking cool. That's not a very strong problem. That's not something that has a big price tag associated with it. Pain, right? That's why some of those products are great. So long story short is triangulate 3 customer avatars. If you need to ask ChatGPT, that's totally fine. We're human, and the robots are getting better than us. And figure out, again, which one of those 3 is your product is solving the problem the most, or it's worth the highest value for that problem to be solved, or that they just have the most disposable income. And just by creating a new landing page even that is targeting your kind of marketing around that avatar and the specific problem you're solving for them will allow you to justify charging higher prices. Because even if they've seen a similar version of that product somewhere else, that other brand isn't speaking directly to them like you are. And that's why you are going to be able to justify higher prices and solve that problem that they are experiencing that's worth a lot to them, make their lives better, make them happier, make them healthier, whatever your product does, and make more money doing so in an ethical manner. All right. So I hope that makes sense with all of my analogies, and that the riches are in the niches, and you could kind of take away some tactical tips to implement these things into your brand. And if you have any questions on any of these strategies, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. And if you need any help, one-on-one help, you want to join our inner circle of other kick-ass brand owners that are doing 6 figures a year, 7 figures a year, some of them even 7 figures a month, then feel free to, again, shoot me a DM, and I'd be happy to take you under my wing, bring you into our inner circle, and have you start getting some kick-ass results like we're getting for our brands in our portfolio, and that all of our students and coaching clients are getting. So that's it. I'll be having a kick-ass start to your new year, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.